My name is Luba Friday. I'm a Russian American. I came to United States 16 years ago. I'm a medical doctor, and I came to Michigan for a business purpose. And we visited this guy, my future husband's peach experimental farm. I was impressed. My husband, Paul Friday, he developed Flaming Fury peaches. He worked about this idea 45 years. I wish you tried our Flaming Fury peaches, the best. His idea was to develop peaches from July to October to pick them, because peach season in Michigan was just maybe a couple weeks. And he did it. He developed Flaming Fury peaches, the best peaches. Okay, we got married, and now I'm peach farmer. About 10 years ago, we developed Flaming Fury peaches to Meijer store, and some lady from Chicago stopped at Meijer store and she tried. She was impressed, and she talked with Meijer's manager, produce manager, and she said, I need to talk with this guy. We need these peaches. We need Flaming Fury peaches in Chicago, for Chicago people. And she talked with Green City Market people, and we invited to be in this market. I love this market. This market is the best. I mean, the best in Chicago area. I think in Michigan too. Every vendor in this market, organically grow produce, or like us, sustainable farming. Because we care about Mother Nature, about soil, about animals a lot.
Buy other products from other vendors. We have to. So our oatmeal for our cookies comes from Three Sisters Farms. So, when Floreal sells strawberry tarts, the strawberries come from Nichols Farms and other farms.